Welcome to our channel. Impaired questions, DCS, DRS, page number 149, third bit, 8 question in Telugu Academy. Now, given, find the angle between the lines whose direction cosines are given by the equations. Given equations are here, either 3L plus M plus 5N is equal to 0 and 6Mn minus 2NL plus 5LM is equal to 0. Find the angle between of them. Now look here. Now given lines are let here. Given lines, given conditions, given conditions 3L plus M plus 5N is equal to 0. Let it is 1. Now second one is the 6Mn minus 2NL plus 5LM is equal to 0. It is the second one. Now right here M answer. M is equal to minus of 3L plus 5N. Substitute in equation 2. Now M is equal to 6M. M answer is the bracket start here. Look there. M answer is the minus of 3L plus 5N into N. Write as it is N minus 2NL. Write down as it is. Now plus 5 into L. M is equal to, you know that it is answer minus of 3L plus 5N is equal to 0. Now simplify this. 6 into N, 6N, it is the minus 6N 3L plus 5N. Here minus 2NL, I write down as it is. It is the plus into minus 5L into 3L plus 5N is equal to 0. Now multiply here. 6 into 3, 18 minus 18, N into L, N or NL as well as minus into plus minus 6 into 5, 30 N square. Next Minus 2NL here. Next minus 5 L into 3 minus 15 L square. Minus into plus minus 5 into 5, 25 L into N. N is equal to 0. First write down the here L square coefficients. L square coefficients are here 15 L square minus 15 L square. Next write down NL coefficients. Look here, it is the minus 25 negative, here also minus 12 negative, here also minus 18. All are negative. Now all are add here. Minus 18 minus 2 minus 20 minus 25 minus 45 L N. Now it is next write down N square coefficient minus 30 N square is equal to 0. What is the common factor here? Minus 15. Minus 15 is the common here. L square, it is the 3LN plus 2N square is equal to 0. Now here L square plus 3LN plus 2N square is equal to 0. Now factors are divided here. It is L square into 2N square. 2L square N square. And the product is the 2L square N square. Added 3LN. You don't need to add this enough. And that means L square plus 2LN plus LN plus 2N square is equal to 0. 2LN into LN. 2L square N square. Add it, we get 3LN. 2LN plus LN. 3LN. Factors are divided. Now here what is the common factor in first two terms? L is the common. Now it is meaning L plus 2N plus here what is the common factor in last two terms? N is the common there. That means L plus 2N is equal to 0. That means L plus N into L plus 2N is equal to 0. Here L plus N is equal to 0 or L plus 2N is equal to 0. Now case 1, case 2. We face here two cases here. Now case 1. Case 1. case 1, look there, it is the case 1, L plus N is equal to 0. Now L plus N is equal to 0. Now write it is L is equal to minus N. Now it is the meaning substitute here in 1, substitute in equation 1. Now write like this, it is L by, it is N coefficient is the minus 1, now minus 1, denominator right here, L coefficient is the 1 and write N by 1. Now it is the first condition here. Next to find the M. Now L is equal to minus N, substitute in equation 1 like this here, that means 3 of minus N plus M plus 5N is equal to 0. Now it is a 3 into minus N, minus 3N plus M plus 5N is equal to 0. Now it is M minus 3N plus 5N. It is answer, we know that plus 2N is equal to 0. Now write it is answer, M is equal to minus 2N. Now here N coefficient is the minus 2. Now write it is M by minus 2. Now here M coefficient 1. Now write it is N by 1. Now look there, it is L by minus 1, N by 1. Here M by minus 2 is equal to N by 1. Now look there, here L by minus 1 is equal to N by 1. We know that N by 1 answer is the M by minus 2. It is M by minus 2. Right? It is answer is N by 1 as it is. Now it is the direction ratios of one of the line. Now first line or second line as well wish. First line DRS, not DCS, DRS. It is the denominators. L denominator is the minus 1, M denominator is the minus 2, N denominator is the 1. Now case 2. Case 2, L plus 2N is equal to 0. Now L plus 2N is equal to 0. Now write it is L is equal to minus 2N, substitute in 1. Now write it is L by N coefficient minus 2, right, minus 2, N by L coefficient 1, right. Now L is equal to minus 2N, substitute in equation 1. And look this here. Look here, L is equal to minus 2N. Now 3 of L answer is the minus 2N plus M plus 5N is equal to 0. Now 3 into minus 2, 6N plus M plus 5N is equal to 0. Now it is the M minus 6N plus 5N answer is minus N is equal to 0. It is answer is M is equal to N. Now write like this are 1 into M, 1 into N, that means now M by N coefficient 1, that means here N by here M coefficient 1. Now look this here, it is the first side down here and here, look there is these two conditions only. Now here L by minus 2 is equal to N by 1. We know that N by 1 answer is the M by 1 and M by 1 is equal to N by 1. Now second line DRS, second line DRS is equal to minus 2, 1 and 1. Now find the angle between of lines. Now let theta be the angle between of them. Theta be the angle between of them. Now first line DRS is the minus 1 comma minus 2 comma 1. Second line DRS is the minus 2 comma 1 comma 1. Write the formula. We know that formula here. Cos theta is equal to mod of A1 A2 plus B1 B2 C1 C2 by under root of A1 square plus B1 square C1 square. Next under root of A2 square plus B2 square C2 square. Now cos theta is equal to mod of A1 A2. Now look there, It is the first line DRS A1, B1, C1. Now second line DRS A2, B2, C2 like this. Mod of A1, A2. A1 answer is the -1. A2 answer is the -2. -1 into -2 answer is the +2. Write down directly. B1, B2. B1 answer is the -2. B2 answer is the +1. -2 into 1, -2. -2. Now C1, C2. C1 answer is the 1. C2 answer is the 1. That means 1 into 1, 1. Now denominator is the A1 square plus B1 square, C1 square. And that means -1 whole square. A1 square means 1. B1 square and -2 whole square answer is the 4. Next C1 square. C1 answer is the 1. That means +1. Now under root of next A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. A2 answer is the, we know that -2. -2 whole square answer is the 4 plus B2. B2 means 1. 1 whole square answer is the 1 plus C2 square answer is the 1. Now cos theta is equal to -2 plus 2. Cancel. Mod of 1 answer is the 1. By denominator is the 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 6, root 6. Here also root 6. That means it is here cos theta is equal to, now cos theta is equal to 1 by root 6 into root 6 answer is the 6. That means theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 6. Required angle theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 6.
డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో టెలిగ్రామ్ ఛానల్ లింక్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ ఛానల్లో జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. మీకు షార్ట్ కట్స్, మోడల్ పేపర్స్ అండ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ పీడిఎఫ్ రూపంలో లభించును.